Exercise example 3.20. A given n resistor, each of resistance capital R. How will you combine them to get the minimum effective resistance? What is the ratio of maximum to minimum resistance? Clear? See, in this question, n resistors are connected such that to find maximum resistance. तो देखिए maximum resistance हमें कब मिलेगा? हमें जब हम इन n resistors को सीरीज में कनेक्ट करेंगे. तो देखिए for maximum resistance, resistor must be connected in series, right? Resistor must be connected in series. मतलब आपको मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टर कब मिलेगा? जब आप R max इज इक्वल टू करेंगे. ठीक है, n टाइप्स ऑफ रेजिस्टर है, राइट? सारे के सारे सेम रेजिस्टेंस है, तो हम इसे सिंपली क्या लिख देंगे? n इंटू R लिख देंगे. तो ये हुआ हमारे लिए मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टेंस. अभी देखिए फॉर मिनिमम रेजिस्टेंस रेजिस्टर मस्ट बी कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. देखिए रेजिस्टर मस्ट बी कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल, राइट? ये आएगा हमारे लिए. तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? मिनिमम रेजिस्टेंस विल बी इक्वल टू रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल. अब पैरेलल में इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस क्या निकलेगा एन टाइप्स के लिए? इट इज R बाई N, राइट? तो ये हुआ हमारे लिए मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टेंस और ये हुआ हमारे लिए मिनिमम रेजिस्टेंस. क्लियर? चलिए अब हमें फाइंड करना है रेशियो ऑफ मैक्सिमम टू मिनिमम. देखिए तो यहां पर हम लिख देंगे इसे, क्या लिखेंगे? R max बाय R mean इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा? देखिए इट इज RS बाय RP which is simply N into R by R by N. Clear? What happened? R cancelled, so this will be N square. Clear? तो ये होगा हमारे लिए रेशियो का आंसर क्या आया? R max by R mean is equal to N square. Clear? चल. Exercise example 3.20. B. Given the resistance of 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, how will you combine them to get an equivalent resistance of the given terms? Right? See, in first, this is B. In first, we have to connect this resistor such that, see, here 1 and 2 are in series with 3. Clear? With 3. This is 1 ohm. Clear? This is 2 ohm. And this is 3 ohm. Right? So they are connected like this to make our answer, right? Say these two are in parallel, so we write them as 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1, right? Plus 3 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3. So this answer will be 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11 by 3 ohm. Clear? This is your first answer, 11 by 3 ohm. Now for second, see, now for second, we connect this 3 resistor like, see, like this, right? Here this 1 ohm resistance, this will be 3 ohm resistance, and here this will be 2 ohm resistor. Now the equivalent of them is, here this 1 is in series with a parallel combination of 3 and 2. Clear? So this will be 1 plus 3 by into 2 by 3 plus 2. Clear? So this will be 1 plus 3 to the 6 by 5. So here finally it will be 11 by 5 ohm. Clear? Done? Okay. Now for third, right, for 6 ohm we connect them in series. See, we connect all of them in series for third like this, right? Here we have 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and this is 3 ohm. Clear? So their answer is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6 ohm. Clear? Done? Now for fourth, see, it is 6 by 11, right? To make it 6 by 11 equivalent, we connect all these 3 resistors in parallel, right? So here we have 3 resistors which are connected in parallel like this. Clear? So here The equivalent of this 1 ohm, 2 ohm and this 3 ohm is like 1 plus here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Clear? So this will be 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3. See, clear? So the LCM of them is here, it will be, the LCM of this will be 9 plus 2 by 6. So this will be 11 by 6, right? And then the reciprocal of this will be 6 by 11 ohm, right? This is the equivalent resistance for this combination, right? So this is our second answer, B. Clear? Exercise example 3.20C. Determine equivalent resistance of following network. As you see, here we have two type of network, right? And we want to find equivalent resistance between A and E. Clear? And here we want to find equivalent resistance between A and B. Clear? So let me solve first circuit. As you see, it's a combination of the same type of the loop, right? So if we solve the equivalent between A and B, then after finding this equivalent, we can do the product of the 4 times, right? Here we have 4 such loops, so we can do the product of 4 times. Then after we find the equivalent between A and E. Clear? So let me first find the equivalent between A and B. So here, right, equivalent between A and B, which is this small resistor, clear? This is supposed to be the A and here it is B, right? As you see, this is 1 ohm and this is also 1 ohm. This is 2 ohm and this is 2 ohm, right? The equivalent is RAB is equal to, see, here these two are in series, here these two are in series. 1 plus 1 is 2 and here 2 plus 2 is 4. So they are in parallel to each other. So we can write it is 2 into 4 by 2 plus 4, right? This is the parallel product of 2. Then in denominator the summation of 2. So it is 4 to the 8 by 4 plus 2 6. So it is 4 by 3. This is the equivalent of A and B. As you find, you have such 4 combination. So here we have such 4 combination, right? So we can write for them, it is equivalent of A into E is equal to 4 times of resistance of RAB. Clear? Which is 4 of 4 by 3. So finally it is 16 by 3 ohm. This is the equivalent between A and E, right? This is your first solution. Now in second circuit, as you see, this all resistors are in series, right? If you make a straight wire of them, then you find that all these resistors are in series. Clear? So we can simply write that here all resistors are in series, right? Therefore we can write R equivalent AB is equal to, see, all are in series, so it is for R plus R plus R plus R plus R, or you can simply n times of R, which is 5 times of R. Clear? So this is your answer of this network. Clear? Thank you.